Okay, wait. James is supposed to be speaking. Make James speak.
Yes.
Okay. Yell some words, Jamie.
Yes.
Yell some words, Jamie.
Yeah.
Okay, put your speaker valve on your trachea and I'll get you out your plasma car.
Okay.
Okay, what kind of speaker valve is it, Jamie? Is it a Shikani? Say Shikani speaker valve. Say, Mom, may I please have my plasma car?
Mom, I please have my plasma car.
You may have your plasma car. Okay, sing some songs while I'm getting it for you. Okay, so this is to demonstrate the wind power while he's wearing it. Because this is pretty good exercise right here. So he's off. He's going on about his business. Nurse is just kind of sitting around, being a nurse, monitoring things. Jamie! Okay, tell me something. Okay, tell me some words. Okay. You can't go forward till you count to 10. Drat. Okay, you're trapped until you count to 10. Count to 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
8,
8,
9,
9,
10.
10.
Why are you speaking in a ridiculous voice? Okay, that's all you on purpose. That's not the valve causing that. That's you being a goofboo. Okay, would you sing the rainbow song? Okay, sing the pinata song. Okay, yeah, the valve is not causing that kind of scratchy Cartman voice. He's just doing that on purpose. James, would you speak it? Okay, would you speak in a normal voice? The world is a rainbow. That is not even close.